Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Mabel. If it is your first time of tuning in, what are you waiting for? Be a part of this amazing family. Click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I upload new video. In this oil, I've got a mixture of extra virgin olive oil. I've got jojoba oil. I've got tissue oil, all kind of oil. I'm not going to state everything I'm using here. This is coconut milk. You can use almond milk, goat milk, and any milk of your choice, soya milk or soya bean. Yeah, you can use soya milk, any milk of your choice. This is aloe vera gel, the one from the plant, not the refined one. This is straight from the plant. I've already blended it. And this, I've got a mixture of this almond powder inside. I've got lemon peel powder, and I've also got this what else, I'm gonna leave it on the screen. And this is my glutathione, already melted. You can see it's crystal white. I diluted it with distilled water using the double method. And I'm just going to start off. Also in the oil, I had this inside. I added this, which is a mixture of 5 carrier oil, the rose hip oil, the cranberry oil, the grapeseed oil, the almond oil, sunflower oil. So this is an amazing oil, which is a massage oil. And this is the coconut milk I used. So I also used the emulsifying wax and polysolvate 20. So I'm just going to add this because now the temperature, so I'm just going to add this and add it inside. So this inside my milk and add this inside this. Start mixing. So I'm going to add my glutathione powder and aloe vera in it. So you mix, you can see it will start taking up. Ensure the temperature is the same thing because all this I put in the double heater. So now I'm going to, you can see it's getting thick, it's sticking up. So I've got my hand blender, so that's what I'm going to use to mix it properly. This is an amazing cream that will help you to get rid of hyperpigmentation. It will help to eliminate acne and stop it from originating. It will also help to clear sunburn, lighten you up a bit, and it will also help to get rid of discoloration. It will help to get rid of acne scar left behind from acne. So this is an amazing cream. So I'm making this for 2 of my clients. Hopefully, I hope this is well overdue. Ensure the quantity of the measurement, especially the measurement that you take, is that you have the right measurement. If you don't, it's not going to come out the way you want. And everything here is sterilized. And ensure you put on your hand glove, tie on your hair. I love the consistency. You can see it's not too watery, it's not too liquid or thick. This is amazing. I'm going to leave this in the fridge for a few minutes, then still blend it, still mix it with the hand mixer thoroughly. This is an amazing cream that when you apply it on your skin, you're going to get visible result within 7 days. You get that silky, radiant, smooth, soft feeling and appearance. This is an amazing cream which I made with love, and it's clean. So ensure all your products and equipment and tools you're using are well sterilized, because you don't want any germs to get into it. And before I finish, I'm going to add a little bit of the glycerin inside, and I would then add my preservative. You don't really need to put preservative because I added milk and also mix my glutathione powder with what's it called, I mixed my glutathione powder with distilled water, as well as the other product that I mixed, which I'm going to be leaving a little on the screen, because I'm not going to give you guys all my product. If you want to get this, hit me up on my IG, or call me or email me. I'm going to leave my contact on the screen, and I'm going to start off by putting this essential oil inside. We know the benefit of rose essential oil. This also helps to clear acne and stop it from reoccurring. So 10 drop, and it's got this amazing smell, trust me. So this is pine oil, lavender oil. So I'm going to put some inside. We all know the benefit of lavender essential oil is very good on the skin. And this, I'm going to add the pine oil, because the two clients I'm doing this for, this is the pine oil. This is an amazing oil that helps to fight acne, helps to contain loads and loads of benefit. And tea tree, we all know the benefit of tea tree. I'm not going to go in detail on this, so I'm going to add some bit of it. This will help to get rid of white patches, so that white spot caused as a result of harsh chemical cream mixture from harsh chemical. This will also help to get rid of acne and also stop it from reoccurring. So this is an amazing product, and you need to get the complete set. Like the person I'm making this for got the complete set, the scrub, the soap, and also the cream. So I'm just gonna add my preservative. Need little quantity of it. Preservative will help kill germ and also help stop mold from forming. Oh my god, I love this product. I'm going to be trying this out on my skin as well. So I just took it out from the fridge. So I'm going to mix it again. I've got my clean container already sterilized. Also, before I forgot, I added my Fair and White So White serum inside the oil. So this is an amazing cream which I normally use on my skin. I've used this product for long, so for ages mostly. And also, if it is a severe acne, sometimes I use some of this product, but these are just for my client. So if you got a dark stubborn scar or dark stubborn blemishes, hit me up on my IG, or you can email me. This product is an amazing that will work quick on you if you follow. And this is the finished product. You see, it smells so good. This cream is an amazing cream that you will get visible results. I'm going to be using this one as a base for one of my videos to show you how to mix your cream with other cream to get it to activate. I'll try and activate this with another. That will be in my other video where I will show you how to mix cream, but the video I'm going to be doing will be how to show you how to mix Fair and White product to get that defined complexion you want. And this is an amazing product, which I said this cream is very good. Great testimony, great feedback from this cream. You can also go to my website and place your order on this cream. Is good for white spots. For those of you that have got white spot as a result of skin cream mixture from ash chemical, it's also ideal for acne spots acne, blemishes left there, that is scar left behind by acne. This is an amazing cream, good for decoloration, hyperpigmentation. It's good for decoloration because it contains blackcurrant oil. Blackcurrant oil is good for fading discoloration, fading acne or blemishes. So it's really good. It doesn't give you any reaction, and it also helps to stop acne from reoccurring. So for you to I made this cream with love, and I use the organic product, no harsh chemical. You can check my website, and thank you guys. Subscribe.